so how is everyone doing? So I know you're doing fine. Yeah. So today we are, we are preparing for, Thanksgiving is coming. Thanksgiving is here. So today I decided to show you how to set up a table. Very simple. Yeah. So I bought this decoration. It's just simple. Yeah. It's not costly. You can find it anywhere. Yes. You can find it anywhere. So I have like set of, if you don't, you like to use the paper plate, this cup, you think that, oh, I'll have a lot to do to cook, so you don't want to get more worky like you washing dish after finishing. I know you're gonna be more washing dish yeah, for after finishing eating, so you can reduce the other small. So I don't have candle here, yeah, because I make it just like a sample. So what is it? So I'm going to find this big candle before Thanksgiving, but I just want to show you before Thanksgiving. So here you can put your candle. Yep. Here, yeah. There is this artificial candle too, really candle, you can put it there here. I think this is for cover, whatever. And here too, I have my fresh apple. This is kind of sample decoration. You can put it apple, any fruits, but I just want to show you, my decoration. Maybe you can take a little idea here. Yeah, how I'm going to do it. Yeah. So center the fresh fruits. Yes. This candle. So when you have your candle, you can put the bigger one. You put it in this candle holder. You can put in this candle holder. They call candle holder. They're so beautiful. You can see them. Yeah. I think online they have this bigger one. Put it around it. Here around it. This decoration. You see them inside it. You can do it in simple way. Yeah. And also when I like to do this to have space to put something, to move. Not too much stuff, flower all over. No, simple. But also you go together with the color of Thanksgiving. You see it? You see, very simple, but also cute, nice one. No complicated. Yes. Here, if I'm going to put like candle, it's going to be perfect. You don't need to block each other, especially when you have more people talking. You need space, people. That time, family come together, union. When you have big table, more people talking, space to put your drinks, to move something. Maybe if you want extra something here, you see. Yeah, you don't need a lot of stuff, just simple. Simple is very good, I love simple, that is. Yeah, my table is not big, but if you have more too, you can still do something like this. Yes, I'm telling you, something missing here is only candle. If there is candle here, bigger one, it will be so very more beautiful than this. Yeah, move some island there, you put your food there, people, they just go grab food and come sit down. You have a table side for putting a buffet or food, and you come, you sit down, you eat it. It's perfect. You put whatever something you need here. You see, not too much stuff. Simple, clean, and good.